Hey cuties, it's your girl Kpcutie with another video. Today is day number 10 of Writer's Prompt. And before we get into this video, I want you guys to go ahead and like, subscribe, don't forget to comment down below which part of the video you like, and also hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video. And also follow all my social media pages. They're all linked down below. Go check them out. Go follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Oh, I keep always forgetting TikTok. Go follow my TikTok. I'm lit over there, so go follow me. And let's get into this video. Topic of the day is fire starters. Talk about building a fire and building a fire. It's very easy to build a fire if you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, good thing you're right here on my channel. You're here for me. But it's easy. Like, all you gotta do is make sure you get sticks, straw, twigs. But make sure, depends on which fire you want. If you want a smoky fire to smoke like on a smoker, or just plain old fire, for a plain fire, you're just gonna want just dead branches, dead wood. If you have a tree stump and you guys been like wanting to cut it down and you just have a tree stump somewhere, or you just have like the tree wood, all you gotta do is just take the axe, chop it up. Make sure you just chop pieces all day. Well, not all day, but do it throughout the day. Like, chop a few pieces, save it later, because once it starts drying, then you just toss it on the fire and boom, you got it. But I'm going to tell you guys the first time I built a fire. Well, I built a fire, first time I built a fire by myself, because I build fires with my family like all the time, because it's kind of like therapeutic for us to build fires for ourselves, because we like to like have that element of like having that balance between fire, air, or water, all that good stuff. But for us, it's more like a calm, like, getaway from stress and stuff. So we it's kind of like became our own tradition to start fires and just eat around the fire, like a campfire song, something like that. SpongeBob reference. But like how we just eat s'mores, cook sausages, make our own. And I think sometimes, we should try to cook that pineapple. Oh, we should do that. For the first time I built a fire by myself, it's kind of I was going off of what I seen with my mom and my brother and my sister, what they did. But we were me and my sister, we ended up doing it. Well, our mom was still home, but she didn't know who started the fire. One thing that I was not, just when you guys working on fire and sharp objects, please tell somebody, just in case something happens and they'd be like, what happened? They can't give them give no one the reason or understand how this came to be. So make sure you tell somebody. So I ended up getting the match. I got the match, the lighter. I freehand grabbed some sticks, but I need more sticks to make the fire, because I want to make some more. If you guys don't know this, I am a s'more fiend. I love s'mores. I'm so obsessed with it. I almost every time we do a fire, I either eat s'mores, but I'm starting to less and less crave it, because I had kind of overdid it. Just a little bit. But at the time I wanted s'mores, so I went and got me some branches. Me and my sister did it. We went to the fire pit because we had dug our own fire pit in the ground. Yeah, in the yard. We had made our own little fire pit so that we can like have it warm and stuff, like toasty, so we don't have our feet warm and stuff. So we got sticks, we laid them out. I don't really much know what else happened. I just remember the parts of me doing it, like the actions and starting to do it. All I know is that we used lighter fluid, we sprayed it onto the thing. Like, I think I used probably a little too much, and that junk was like boom. It was like not a flame, like a big old fire pit, but it was like enough fire. Like, what the heck are you guys doing? Like, we were like, we're making a fire, and we was like, are we in trouble for not telling you? But we was in trouble. We just like, they just gave us a warning, like saying just don't do that without us knowing, because that was kind of scary for them. They're like, what the heck is going on? They was freaking out and stuff. But it was very fun because I was like, okay, I'm gonna grab my sticks, grab the lighter fluid. But it's easy to like start it. Wow, lighter fluid. All you need is candle wax, cotton pad. You dip the candle wax in the cotton pad, and then it's since the candle wax is kind of like its own, like when you melt candles and it'll keep that flame going. Boom. Candle wax is one great thing you need for our fire starting kits. But fire, like doing fire starters, like building fires is like kind of like very therapeutic. As I said before, it is a way good to like play with, because I know every kid in the world has at least loved starting fires or had any helping hands into fires, because it was like fun. And it's like, shoot, we're gonna make this fire, we're gonna make it big, we're gonna make it like huge and make it like the biggest fire as we can possibly make it. But be careful with that, guys, because making the fires and actually have them like going, that is kind of scary. Because I remember one time, like the fire wasn't really going out of control, but it was out of control a little bit. For a little bit we were like, oh shoot, how are we gonna stop this? Because the fire was like, one time it was like, okay, it was like a normal fire, like okay, you can tame it. But that one, we threw it in a live tree branch. Well, not live tree branch, no, we threw a whole big something. I know it was big wood, and then threw it in there, and that tree and that fire was like whoosh, like the smoke and also fire of it. Yeah, it was a tree branch. It was a big tree branch that had leaves on it, and that thing was like whoosh, like that fire was going up. Like we hoping to God that no one's gonna call the fire department, because that fire was bigger than that. It was not bigger than the house, but it was bigger and it was taller than the house. It was like you could see through on top. Like if you was just standing outside the front of the house, you'll see it. You'll be like, what is going on? Who is making that big fire? I'm like, that's us. Yeah, we're making that fire. Yeah. But it was actually like real fun, because like I know it was like kind of like, oh shoot, we gotta take the fire out. But I think for everyone, they were like, that is so cool, like how that fire got big. But it was not cool when we had to like tame it, but it was fun. It was like, I would say that it was every kid's dream to see that fire big, because it's like, wow, like it's like you're like you could controlling, like making magic with your hands. Like it was like that, like whoa, like it's like boom, boom, like fire, like wow. But I still like doing fires. I just don't know. No, that's me lying. I like fires. I like making fires. I even liked them as a kid. I was even starting fires even younger. I probably was like, if I had a chance and I had a chance to know how to start a fire and know what items I need, I would be probably making fires even younger than that. Probably would. No, me, I would. But making fires, it was definitely fun. Like going to get the twigs, setting it up right, having straw, then having the is a straw, then like you don't really need light food, but grab paper, get some paper and burn it and like smoke in the straw, so then when the straw starts burning, it hits the sticks. Cause all you gotta do is build the fire. Like you gotta make it like a teepee hut. Like it gotta be like a triangle, like a pyramid, like stuff like that. And all you gotta do is make sure it's on both sides, like 4 sides, like right here, one side here, then the next side, then the front and back, and then make sure in the middle you have a straw, so when the straw burns, it like goes up. Cause fire, if you have the sticks laying flatwards, all it is gonna like burn and not gonna really burn as like, it's not gonna make the fire go up. It's just gonna make the fire stay leveled, and the fire needs to be like going shooting upwards because it's shooting. It had to protrude upwards, then going like laying flat, because all it is going to make the fire dwindle faster. But going up, it'll make it last long while you go get some more sticks or straw, whatever you need to make that fire. Like it will go up instead of down or disappear. But making fires, like y'all guys should try it. Okay, I'm gonna challenge you guys all this. If you guys make your own little fire hut, and like for every single weekend when you guys have a day off or have time to yourself, make a little fire pit or make a little campfire session with your family, so you can guys just talk and like unwind together. Because it's also good it also helps like get you guys communicating with your family, understand with them, have a talk about a day and stuff, be at the dinner table, go outside, be around nature, like feel that good energy about it, like being like open and like relax. Like that's what we do. Like we haven't been doing as much, we've been like working and doing this other stuff, but guys, take time out of your day and just go ahead and like sit out by the campfire, making s'mores, whatever you guys want, hot dogs, sausages, whatever. Just do that. Like I'm challenging you guys, do it for a week and see how your guys' moods and energy shifts, and like you guys be feeling much fresher. Like go outside and soak up that good energy, that new positive, and just be one with family. So I'm challenging you guys to do that for a week, and I want you guys comment back to this video and comment down below saying what you guys did, how you guys talked about, or comment down below fire if you guys did it, because I want to know if you guys are doing this, and I want to know if you guys are actually taking in what I'm saying or going on this journey with me, because I want to know. So go ahead and comment down below. I'm excited for you guys. But doing the fire thing, it's like very good and therapeutic. Like I say, when we do the fires, it's very like kind of like a good relaxing break from everything. When we do fires, like we do, like since we've not been doing that much, it's gonna kind of been like hectic, but we've been like getting by like our energies and moods and stuff. Like we have to like talk or just be like, it's very good to like have a place where you can guys woos out, away from everything, away from electronics, because all you guys need, just take all your electronics, turn them off, leave them in the house, walk outside. If you guys can't go outside and do the fire, go to the park and make a fire. Like go out grilling, like at least be somewhere away from like the electronics and just be one with your family and just cook. Even because even the park grills are free. Like you guys can go ahead and cook, like as long as it's summery or it's not snowing or raining. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, don't forget to comment down below which part of the video you like, and also don't forget to follow my social media pages. And definitely, if you do comment down below on this video, comment down sugar if you made it this far to the video or made it in the midst of the video or at the end. Comment down sugar, because I want to know if you guys all was here, and if y'all ain't comment down sugar, we'll have some problems. So yeah, go follow my social media pages, will be linked down in the description box below, and I'll see you guys. Oh, and also hit that little bell to be notified when I post videos, and see you guys next video. Bye, kitties. Cutie out. And stay tuned for the next video, because I am gonna be doing a lot more of these. And also comment down below if this has helped. So yeah, for real this time. Bye kitties, Cutie out.